if I had to start all over again with zero, there are 3 skills I'd focus on mastering immediately. These skills didn't just help me grow. I literally built my career around them. Want to know what they are? Let's dive in. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 3 skills that transformed me from just another content consumer to someone making a real living in the digital space. If you've ever thought, where do I even begin? Start here. First up, podcast editing. This is where I started. Why? Because audio is everywhere. Podcasts are booming. And most creators, they just want to talk, not edit. I learned how to clean audio, cut out the fluff, and add music that kept listeners hooked. And guess what? You don't need fancy gear. I started with free software and YouTube tutorials. One good edit got me my first paid gig, and that one client led to 10. Next, Reels editing. This skill is what taught me storytelling in seconds. I mastered transitions, text overlays, music timing, and most importantly, hooks. Brands and creators are desperate for this kind of short-form content. Once I nailed the formula, I started getting DMs like, "Hey, who edited this for you?" Short-form video is the fastest way to grow right now, and knowing how to edit them gives you a huge advantage. And finally, YouTube video editing. This is the art of holding attention. With YouTube, it's not just about flashy edits. It's about pacing, structure, emotion, retention. I learned how to build tension, when to cut, how to use zooms, music, captions, all of it. Editing made my videos watchable. Watchable videos equals more views equals more opportunities. Whether it's monetization, clients, or collaborations, it all came from learning to edit well. So, if you're just getting started or looking to level up, these 3 skills are where you should put your energy. They're in demand. They compound over time, and they open doors you didn't even know existed. Want more breakdowns like this? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and let me know which skill you're working on right now.